If you're trying to fix an Epic Games error logging in, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective ways to get back into the Epic Games launcher, whether the issue is caused by a wrong password, a damaged cache, permission problems, or even a VPN conflict. This is a quick and simple guide, and by the end, you should have a much better chance of signing in successfully. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, before changing anything, double check your email and password. A lot of login errors happen because of something simple like a typo, an old password, or using the wrong account. Make sure you're signing in with the same email you used when you created your Epic Games account, and if needed, use the password reset option to confirm your login details are correct. If your credentials are fine and you're still getting the error, the next step is to clear the Epic Games launcher cache. This is one of the most common fixes for login issues. To do that, close the Epic Games launcher completely. Make sure it is not running in the background. Then open File Explorer and type %local app data % into the address bar. Press enter, and this will take you to your local app data folder. Inside that folder, look for the Epic Games launcher folder. Open it, then find the Webcache folder and delete it. This removes temporary files that may be causing the login problem. After deleting the cache, reopen the Epic Games launcher and try logging in again. If the issue is still there, the next thing you should do is run the launcher as an administrator. Right-click the Epic Games launcher shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the launcher the permissions it may need to connect properly and complete the sign-in process. Sometimes Windows blocks certain actions unless the program is opened with admin rights, so this step can make a big difference. If that still doesn't work, you can try repairing the launcher through Windows Control Panel. Open Control Panel, go to Programs, then Programs and Features, and look for Epic Games Launcher in the list. Select it and choose the repair option if it's available. Repairing the launcher can fix missing or corrupted files that may be preventing you from logging in. Another very important thing to check is your VPN. If you're using a VPN, turn it off before trying to log in again. Epic Games sometimes has trouble with logins when a VPN is active, especially if the connection looks unusual or your region changes during sign-in. After disabling the VPN, try launching Epic Games again and see if the login error is gone. In many cases, one of these steps will solve the issue quickly. The key is to move through them one at a time, starting with your login details, then clearing the cache, then running as administrator, repairing the launcher, and finally making sure a VPN is not interfering. If you still have trouble after trying everything, you may want to restart your PC and try again, because a fresh reboot can help clear temporary system issues as well. And that's how to fix Epic Games error logging in using a few simple troubleshooting steps. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.